What is that noise? Well, it's the sound of nature. I don't see anything. Sounds like a dying squirrel. Hello? Dying squirrel. I'm sure it's not. What is that noise? I feel like I have to get a rock and throw something at it. Or something. Weird noise. I don't see anything. What is making that noise? Sounds like a weird bird or something. The discovery of noises. Squirrel. I just saw one. I didn't catch it on video though. Was that the noise? Feels so it wasn't. It might have been that squirrel, but I'm not even sure. Just listen to the sounds of nature. Isn't it magical? So magical. How you could feel the sun in your face. Oh, a bird. Where did it go? I saw it. A plane. It's so naturey. Okay. I don't know. So, really I'm just making this video for a wildlife. I started it because I had a weird noise. I've heard it many other times, but I never knew what it was. It might have been that squirrel making these awful noises. Evil mermaid. Okay. See what other wildlife we could find around here. Oh, the sky is beautiful, I think. Just looks so amazing. Especially just that sun. And the clouds, it's beautiful. But I don't know why I'm making a video right now. Just felt like I might have just made one about the great outdoors. About wildlife. If I could find anything. Do you hear that? It's the same noise. But this time it sounds like it's coming from over there. Hello? strange? It sounds like it's right next to me, basically. And then it sounds like it's over there. Then my dog barks. My other dog barks. And he barks again. And then the weird noises are here. Oh, there was a, never mind, it was a bird, but do you see anything? Wait, there's something in that tree. Saw movement. I see a squirrel. Where does it go? Did you guys see it? I don't know. It was, wait. Okay, it's really hard to see, but it's there. Do you guys see it? Or is the lighting bad? Yeah, probably. He's kind of camouflaging. Really good. Okay, now you gotta see it. It's right. Okay. How am I gonna do this? Right about there. You could see him. It's hard to see him, am I right? Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Were you making all that racket? I'm sure you were. Sure you were. You were making that racket, didn't you? I'm gonna throw a rock at it, because then you'll know what I'm talking about and where exactly it is. So, ready? Did I miss it? I think I did. Well, if you could see that, great. I'm sorry if you couldn't see that. It was a squirrel. But yes, it is a squirrel that has been making that noise. For such a long time, I always thought they were birds. Now, all there is to do is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah. There's nothing else to do. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a little video that I wanted to make because I just love nature. It's beautiful. Personally, I think it's beautiful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a like, a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And go in your backyard and find some animals and take pictures, share them with your friends. Who knows? You might even find something that no one has ever found before. So try it. Just go outside, bring a camera or a phone or whatever that can take pictures, and take pictures of wildlife. Thank you guys so much for all your support that you had, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! I hope you liked it. Bye! Magical trees.